Once upon a time on YouTube, there was a channel called How To. It was a place where people who loved technology gathered to learn and have fun. And today, they were going to talk about something special, Chat GPT. Chat GPT was like a superstar in this world. It had an amazing power, it could understand and respond to what people said. People came from everywhere to talk to Chat GPT and get its wise advice. One day, a curious person found the channel's latest video. They were interested and clicked on it, wanting to learn about this magical AI creature. Little did they know that they were about to go on an exciting adventure of learning and enjoyment. The video began with lively music, setting the mood for the fun journey ahead. A friendly person who loved technology appeared on the screen, looking very excited. With a playful smile, they started talking about Chat GPT. They said it was a smart AI that learned from lots of text on the internet. It knew so much, like an ocean of information waiting to be explored. But Chat GPT wasn't just a boring book. No way, it had a personality and a sense of humor that could make even serious people laugh. The person compared Chat GPT to a virtual friend, always ready to chat or play games. The video became funny when the person shared a tip. Being clear and specific was important. They said that Chat GPT was like a magical genie that needed clear instructions to understand. It made the person watching laugh, imagining Chat GPT coming out of a lamp like a genie to help with technology. With excitement in their eyes, the person decided to test Chat GPT's humor. They typed a random question, eagerly waiting for the AI's response. The anticipation was like a bubbling potion in a witch's cauldron. And there it was. Chat GPT's answer appeared on the screen, making the person burst into laughter. It was a clever joke, something only Chat GPT, the digital comedian, could come up with. The person was amazed by Chat GPT's abilities. They realized it was more than just a helpful assistant. It felt like having a friend in the digital world, always there to help and share a laugh. As the video ended, the person felt excited about what Chat GPT could do. They couldn't wait to have their own conversations with it, exploring knowledge and enjoying its company. With a click of the subscribe button, they joined the community of Chat GPT fans, ready for more secrets and laughter in future videos. So, whether you are a tech expert or just curious, may Chat GPT be your guide and entertainment in this wonderful world of technology. Thanks for watching.